Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Motorcycle Rewind, and today we're with a Honda Mini Trail, a Z50A hardtail. No, it's not mine, it's a buddy of mine's. I brought it back for him from Barber Vintage Fest, and I couldn't just stand it because it was sitting here, it was non-running, so I said, let's see if we can make it run. So the story is that this guy would run on starting fluid, and that was it. So you'd have to and then get it to start and then some more. So we're gonna see if we can get it to run without starting fluid. Okay guys, let's start with checking to see if it has spark. Okay, key on, we're looking right here, see if we have some spark. Yeah, we got some spark. Let's see if we can clean that up a little bit. Okay, we cleaned up the points a little bit. Got good spark, so let's squirt some starting fluid in here. See if it makes some noise. Let's just find out. On. I did dump the fuel out of the bowl earlier, so let's see if it'll start again. Let it keep running. It's idling. Gotta love that. May have just been the spark plug need to be cleaned up. Come on. Let me turn the idle up a little bit. I'm gonna put some more fuel in here, and then maybe a little seafoam running around. The Honda Z50 made its debut in the US in 1969, originally intended for a kiddie ride in the Japanese amusement park Tamatek. It quickly gained international fame for its petite size and fun factor. The ZA series is known for its hardtail frame and 49cc engine. Loved by both kids and adults, this mini bike isn't about speed, it's all about the joy of riding. It's become an icon, serving as many riders' first introduction to the world of motorcycling. So guys, there you have it. We've successfully ridden a Honda Mini Trail around the neighborhood. I didn't go too far as you saw, but far enough so that it runs. I just couldn't help myself. I just couldn't have this motorcycle here and not give it a go, because just a heads up, there will be a couple of them in our future. I had to play around. I'd never messed with one, so I had to do it to see what it'd be like, and it was tons of fun. So guys, if you made it this far, go ahead and check out our sticker pack. Link in the description below. We have the motorcycle hauler, our truck, the GPZ, Motorcycle Rewind, and as an homage to Yoda Howard, my good friend, we've got him on his little Sears Allstate. So, do us a favor, support the channel. Go check it out. Link in the description below. So guys, another one back on the road. This one a little easier than most, but sometimes you get lucky, right? Sometimes they're a GPZ 1100 and sometimes they're a Honda Mini Trail. Guys, as always, thanks for watching yet another episode of Motorcycle Rewind. And do me a favor, like, tag, share, and follow us on Instagram at Motorcycle Rewind. And go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And while you're in the subscribing mood, wander on over to our friends, Brickhouse Builds, Gold Guy, Moto Mango, Ace Cafe Bikes, Mile Zero Racers, Pete's Classic Cycle, Plan B Motos, and Lady Moto Bang, and give them a subscribe too. Thanks again, guys, and have a great day.